Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add back people on the Yubo app. Now if you want to add someone back on the Yubo app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Yubo app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Yubo app, and from here you will see the number of options at the very bottom taskbar, and you'll also see the option which is swipe and near you at the very upper taskbar. So if you click on the option of reaction, here you'll see the number of reaction which people have given to you, and if you go on the message like icon, you'll see the number of your friends which you are with on the Yubo app. So if you go on the activity center, you'll see the option of the person who have added you on the Yubo app. Now if you want to add them back, you may click on the option of plus at the very next to the profile icon, and this takes you to the power pack page where you just need to purchase the power pack by paying a certain amount of price, and you may simply unblur the photo. But if you don't want to unblur it, you may simply go back on the explore page. You just need to match the background of the photo from the activity page, and you just need to go on the explore page, and from here you just need to swipe right to the person which you think is the friend of yours, and you may simply swipe right to add them back. So that's it. That's how you can add back friends on the Yubo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.